Hello, everybody. A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma, and I welcome all of you in your favorite online education platform, the one and only Exam पर आपका अपना घर. So, my dear students, आज का जो टॉपिक हम लेकर आए हैं that is direction and distance part 1. Direction and distance part 1 is a very important topic from your exams point of view. Yes, it is a very important topic from your exams point of view, and the weightage of this particular topic in your examination is up to 3 questions. It's up to 3 questions. Now up to 3 means that the upper limit is 3. Now what do we mean by up to 3? Up to 3 means it can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. 0, 1, 2 or 3. The upper limit is 3. Alright everybody. So before I start further, I want everybody to please join this. So please quickly join this as soon as possible. We are about to start with this session. Okay. So this is a topic which is equally important for prelim examination, and then it is also important for the main examination. So this is a topic which is equally important for both the prelim as well as the main examination. Okay. Prelim, obviously the level of questions will be quite lower in comparison to the main examination. Okay. Now moving ahead, have a look at the thought of the day. The thought of the day is staying positive does not necessarily mean that things will be okay. Instead, it is knowing that you will be okay no matter how things are. So whenever I ask students that stay positive, feel positive, look for positive, believe in positive, people often cross question me that, sir, what will happen from being positive? Will everything become okay? Will everything become good? So my straightforward answer is no, that's not the case. That's not at all the case. The only point is that you have to be okay. Problems will come, problems will go. Problem A will be replaced by problem B will be replaced by problem C, and so on. You have to stay over there. You have to remain over there. All right, everybody. And with these words, let us start with the topic. So first of all, I would be discussing the basics of direction and distance. Okay, direction and distance basic. Now my dear students, what are the key parameters, what are the key points which you should keep in mind while solving this topic? Number one, we have to understand that what are the types of direction. What are the types of direction? Number one, main directions. Number one, main direction, and number two, subdirection. Number one, main direction, and number two, subdirection. Now, what are the main directions? Main directions are the north, south, east, and west. Apart from them, there are certain subdirections also. And all of you are well aware about that. What are the subdirections? Northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. So these are the subdirections. All right, everyone. Now let us represent them. Okay, this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. These are the main directions. Apart from them, there are certain subdirections. Okay, between north and west, it's northwest or west north. Between north and east, it's northeast or east north. Between south and east, it's southeast or east south. Between south and west, it's southwest or west south. All right, everyone. I hope all of you are getting this. Now, this is not enough. Now we have to also talk about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is equally important. Okay. Now, what does Pythagoras theorem says? According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, what is a right angle triangle? In which one of the angle is 90 degree. Now this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle, the longest side hypotenuse is equal to under root of perpendicular square plus base square. So this is all about hypotenuse is equals to under root of perpendicular square plus base square. All right, everyone. Fine. Next, my dear students. Further, my dear students, what we should keep in mind. Many people are often confused in the left and right turn, that where should we take left, where should we take right. Not all, but still many people ask me doubts related to this initially. So now see, my dear students, please understand that clockwise turn is equivalent to right turn and anti-clockwise turn is equivalent to left turn. Okay, so clockwise is equivalent to right turn and anti-clockwise is equivalent to left turn. So this is clockwise, right turn, this is anti-clockwise, okay, left turn. Now let us understand it by the help of certain examples. Now for example, now this is the face of the person, okay, this is the face of the person. Now suppose this is the minute hand of the clock, it's at 12, so obviously it will move in this way, it will move in this way, so therefore this is the right and opposite of this is left. Now assume that the minute hand is at 6 over here, now the right will be out towards here, so obviously this is the right and this is the left. Now this is the minute hand of the clock, obviously now right will be in this way, so this is the right and opposite of it is left. And finally now this is the minute hand is at, for example, 9, and now it will move over here, so this is the right and this is the left. I hope this is very clear. I hope this is very, very clear. Yes or no? Yes or no? Fine. Now my dear students, why only for these main directions? Let us talk about the sub directions. For example, this and this. Now here the minute hand is at this, it will turn over here. So now for this the right turn is this and opposite of that is the left turn. Now here the minute hand is over here, okay, now it will turn over here in this way, so this is the right. And why only you will take minute hand, you can take hour hand also, that's not a point. Okay, now no Cybonic, no, it's not a paid course, it's a free session for everybody, but still you have a lot to learn over here. Okay, so please like this session, please share this session, ask more and more students to join so that we can learn more and make everybody learn more. Okay, now here the minute hand is over here, obviously it is going to turn in this way, so this is the right turn and this opposite of it is left turn. Now it is over here, it will turn in this way, so this is the right turn and opposite of this is the left turn. I hope it is very, very clear. Fine, I hope it is very, very clear. Next thing, my dear students, very, very important. In some questions, at the very beginning, it is not given that the person is starting to move in which direction. Yes, in majority of the questions, it is given that person starts moving towards north or south or west or east, whatever. But in some questions, in certain questions, it is not mentioned that the person starts moving in which direction. So in such a kind of questions, what strategy we should have? Start moving in that any particular direction, just do not give it a name. Okay, you can move upwards, downwards, leftwards, rightwards. At the end the result will be same. Why the result will be same? Because you must understand north, south, west, east. If due to some reason north comes over here, then all the directions will mutually rotate. Now west will come over here, south will come over here, east will be coming over here, and this is the now modified direction. And why only this? Why only this? North, south, west and east. If due to some reason, if due to some issue, north comes over here, east comes over here, south comes over here, west comes over here. So this is the point. This is the point. All right, everyone. Clear? Now, accordingly, we will be moving ahead. So now all the basics which were required to be done, okay, be it the types of directions, be it the Pythagoras theorem, how to check left turn and right turn, and then further, my dear students, how to see that the directions can rotate in what manner. Everything, the basics we have done. But still, many more is to be covered by the way of solving the questions. Okay, so now we will start with the questions, we will solve them, and I hope you will really appreciate that. And every question that we would be solving will be by the help of a timer. Okay, so now this is the very first question. Okay, prelim level question as of today. Go ahead and time of 2 minutes to draw the diagram quickly. Next 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. Okay, please stop now. Please kindly hold on. And now please kindly pay attention over here. So 6 persons whose names have been provided, they're standing in a particular pattern. N divides S and R in the ratio 2:3 and they form a straight line. N divides S and R in the ratio 2:3 and they form a straight line, but the straight line is horizontal or vertical or inclined, one never knows. So skip this line for now. Now, the distance between S and N is same as the distance between Q and O. Okay, so the distance between S and N is same as the distance between Q and O. I hope it is very clear. Fine, the distance between S and N is same as the distance between Q and O. Now the next line. Q divides M and O in the ratio 4:3 and M is north of O. Q divides M and O in the ratio 4:3. Okay. Q divides M and O in the ratio 4:3. Q divides M and O in the ratio 4:3 and they form a straight line. Fine. Now the next point. Okay, and see M is to the north of O. It is also clearly mentioned M is to the north of O. Now Q stands 3 meter to the south of N. Q stands 3 meter to the south of N. And N who is 5 meter away. N who is 5 meter away from M. So that means total 4x is numerically equal to 8. Total 4x is numerically equal to 8. Now since 4x is equals to 8 implies that x is equals to 2. Now since x is equals to 2, okay, 3x is equals to 6. So that means QO is equal to 6. So I hope this is very clear. Getting it, everyone? Now the next thing over here is, now come back to this line. N divides S and R in the ratio 2:3. N divides S and R in the ratio 2:3. Okay, and they form a straight line. That's all right. N divides S and R in the ratio 2:3 and they form a straight line. That's all right. And further, let us confirm. See, R is towards northeast of Q. R is towards northeast of Q and is also towards the east of S. So I hope that the diagram is very much in conformity with what was required, with what was said. All right, everybody. Next. Now, my dear students, this 6, this is also 6. If this is 6, this is also 6 and this is equal to 2y. This is equals to 2y. So that means 2y is equals to 6. Implies that y is equals to 3. Implies that y is equal to 3. That is 3y is equals to 9. That way 3y is equals to 9. And this is the case. All right, everyone. Fine. Getting it or not? Quickly tell me. Fine. Yes or no? Quickly, everyone. Getting it? Now, once the diagram is formed, once everything is formed, now you can obviously start with the questions. Okay. Now, what is the approximate distance between O and S? The approximate distance between O and S, as per the Pythagoras theorem, is 6 square plus 6 plus 3, 9 square. 6 square plus and then 3 plus 6, 9 square. So 6 square is 36 9 square is 81. So basically it's 117. 1 plus 6, 7, 8 plus 3, 11, 117. So 117 means it's approximately equal to 11. It's approximately equal to 11. All right, everybody, getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, next. What is the distance or direction of M with respect to R? M with respect to R, M with respect to R is northwest. And that's the correct answer, option number D, northwest. Next. The next question. I would be giving you time of 2 minutes to draw the diagram, and obviously after that we would be discussing. So quickly everyone, please draw the diagram. Hurry up. Quickly. Next 1 minute. Quickly. Okay, now the time is up. Now the time is up. Now see, my dear students, in the beginning it is not mentioned that Anvi is moving in which direction. So do not worry. Let us allow her to move in any particular direction. So Anvi goes to store to buy colors. Anvi goes to store to buy colors, and now she enters the store. Now suppose if she enters the store, it can be that she enters in this way. Fine. She enters the store, turns to right, and walks 7 meters and takes the orange color. She enters the store, turns to right, walks 7 meters and takes the orange color. Then she turns to her left, walks 3 meters. Then she turns to her left, walks 3 meters and takes the pink color. Again she turns to her left, which is towards west. Okay. And walks 7 meters and takes the purple color. But now see, we have now got that this is west. If this is west, obviously this is east. Obviously then this is north. And then obviously over here is the south. Now, again she turns to her right and looks at the green color 8 meters away from her. Again she turns to her right and looks at the green color. Which is 8 meters away from her. Turns to right, looks at the green color, which is 8 meters away from her. She takes the green color and moves to her right, walks 7 meters and stops at the counter for billing. All right, everyone. Fine, everybody. Yes or no? Now moving ahead. This is the structure that we are getting. Now, some person might ask me that, sir, you took Anvi to enter the store in this way. What if we would have taken her to enter the store in this way? No issue. The diagram will rotate 90-degree clockwise, and so the directions will also rotate accordingly, and the end result will be same. What if you will take Anvi to enter the store in this way? No issue. The diagram will rotate 90-degree anti-clockwise, and so the directions will also rotate accordingly. If you take Anvi to enter the store in this way, the diagram will rotate upside down. The diagram will rotate upside down, and so everything will rotate accordingly. All right, everybody? Getting it or not, everyone? And now accordingly, now let us start. What is the shortest distance between green color and the starting point? What is the shortest distance between green color and the starting point? Green color over here, starting point over here. Now this is 8, and now if this is 3, even this is 3, answer is 8 plus 3, 11. That is the right answer. 8 plus 3, 11, that is the right answer. Okay, next. In which direction is Anvi from the purple color? In which direction is Anvi from the purple color? So now Anvi is over here. From purple color, Anvi is towards the northeast, and that's the right answer. That's the right answer. Okay, next. In which direction is Anvi from the starting point? In which direction is Anvi from the starting point is also the same. Answer is option number B, northeast. But if now the question would have been, in which direction is Anvi moving, or in which direction is Anvi facing, answer will be east, because this way is towards the east. In which direction is Anvi moving, or in which direction is Anvi facing, it would be towards the east. All right, everyone, getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now the next thing. Here, 6 to 9. Question number 6 to 9. Now what we are getting? These are the best form of questions which are available to us. The things of coded format. P at the rate Q means P is west of Q, 2 or 12, the distance is not known. P hash Q means P is east of Q, distance 2 or 12, the distance is not known. P dollar Q means P is north of Q, 5 or 9, distance is not known. Pi and Q means P is south of Q, 5 or 9, distance is not known. Now here at the rate and dollar. At the rate and dollar means northwest. Northwest or west north. See, at the rate means west, dollar means north, so northwest. Distance is not known. And here, and hash, and means south, hash means east, so southeast, distance is not known. And now we have to use the same given set of instructions in the coming questions. Okay, and now after every one minute I would be discussing. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Okay, now see, P at the rate Q. P at the rate Q means P is west of Q. P at the rate Q means P is west of Q. How much west? How much west? It says 2 or 12. No issue. Now here Q dollar R. Q dollar R means Q is north of R. Q dollar R means Q is north of R. 5 or 9? We don't know. Now R and hash P. R and hash P means R is southeast of P. R is southeast of P, and the distance between P and R is 13. Distance between P and R is 13. Okay. So now as per the Pythagoras theorem, PR is obviously equal to PQ square plus QR square. It is obviously equal, and PR is given as 13. Now if PR is 13, we obviously know the triplets, Pythagorean triplets. So from here we will take this. From here we will take this. Okay, and therefore the distance between Q and R is 5. The distance between Q and R is 5. Had it been asking distance between P and Q, it would be 12. Okay, but for this question it is option number C. Next, quickly everyone, hurry up. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. Come on, guys, quickly. Okay, fine. Now have a look at this. U at the rate Q. U at the rate Q means U is west of Q. U at the rate Q means U is west of Q. Okay. U at the rate Q means U is west of Q. Fine, everybody? Yes or no? U at the rate Q means U is west of Q. How much west? 2 or 12? We never know. Okay, now U dollar T. U dollar T means U is north of T. U dollar T means U is north of T. How much north? How much north? 5 or 9? 5 or 9. Okay. Next, T hash S. T hash S means T is east of S. T hash S means T is east of S. 2 or 12? We don't know. Next, R hash T. R hash T means R is east of T. R is east of T and distance 2 or 12, we don't know. Now it is telling which of the following can be the distance between S and R. Which of the following can be the distance between S and R? My dear students, S and R is nothing but ST plus TR. It is ST plus TR. Now, ST can be 2, okay, and TR can also be 2. So it can be 4. ST can be 12, TR can also be 12, so 12 plus 12 is 24. Any one of them can be 2, other could be 12. So the distance between them can be 14. Apart from that, nothing other can be there. So among them, I think 24 is visible. So this obviously can be the distance between S and R. But other than this, nothing else in any case will be the distance between S and R. And that is why it's the right answer, option number B. Clear? Fine, everyone. Next. Quickly, guys, quickly. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me, my dear students. See, S at the rate dollar $t. S at the rate dollar $t. S at the rate dollar $t means S is northwest of T. S is northwest of T. T at the rate Z. T at the rate Z means T is west of Z. And X and Z. X and Z means X is south of Z. See here, I have nowhere written the distance. Why I have not written the distance? Because it is not at all required as per the question. And now X is in which direction with respect to S? X is in which direction with respect to S? With respect to S, X is southeast. Southeast. Answer is option number B, southeast. All right. Next. Solve this one. Similar kind of the question. Quickly. Okay, now listen to me. S and hash T. S and hash T means S is southeast of T. S and hash T means S is southeast of T. All right. T hash Q. T hash Q means T is east of Q. T hash Q means T is east of Q. And R at the rate dollar $Q. R at the rate dollar $Q means R is northwest of Q. R is northwest of Q. Again, I have not written, see here distance we cannot find out the distance. See the points over here, distance cannot be found out. See here, in such cases, we cannot find out the distance. It is not known. Okay. But at least I know the distance over here, that it will be how much? 2 or 12. Okay, T hash Q means T is east of Q, 2 or 12. But it is not required actually. Why? Because option does not contain them. What is the position of R with respect to S? Position of R with respect to S is northwest. Northwest or west north. The answer is option number B. Answer is option number B. All right, everyone. Clear? Fine. Next. The next question. Okay. And time starts. 2 minutes to draw the diagram. 2 minutes to draw the diagram. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully. What is happening over here? See, here it is telling that there are two lines AB and XY. There are two lines AB and XY and they intersect at a point Q. Line AB is such that A is at the north and B is at the south. Line AB is such that A is at the north and B is at the south. And line XY is such that X is at the west, Y is at the east. Line XY is such that X is at the west and Y is at the east. And they intersect at the point Q. Okay, this is very important. They intersect at the point Q. Okay, now AQ is 12. AQ is 12. Okay, and BQ is 13. BQ is 13. XQ is 16. Okay, XQ is 16. And QY is 14. All of this is given. Fine. Further, what it is telling you, Rahul started at point Y. Now suppose this is Rahul. Rahul started from point Y and walked 18 meters to the north. Rahul started from point Y and walked 18 meters to the north. Now 18 meter means if this is 12, even this is 12 and plus 6. Okay, plus 6. Then further, Rahul takes a left turn, walks 4 meters and stops at point O. Rahul takes a left turn, okay, walks 4 meters and stops at point O. Okay, and now if this is 4, even this is 4, and this remaining part will be 10. This remaining part will be 10. Fine. Further, Further, my dear students, Sumit started from point X. This is Sumit. Sumit started from point X, walks south 6 meter. Walks south 6 meter. If this is 6 meter, obviously this also will be 6 meter. So that the resulting will be, the thing which is left out will be 7 meter. All right. Now, after this, from here, Sumit walks 6 meter to the south, takes left and walks 26. Takes left and walks 26. If this is 16, even this is 16 and this is 10. So this is 10 and stops at point K. This is point K. This is the complete diagram. This is the final diagram. Getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Getting it or not? Now, once we have got this, let us start with the question. If point G is 10 meter to the east of A, if point G is 10 meter to the east of A, then which of the following 3 points, okay, are in the same line? K, G and O, K, G and O, O, G and A, O, G and A are not in straight line, G, Q and X. My dear students, G, Q and X not in straight line, G, K and Y, G, K and Y not in straight line. So K, G and O are in straight line. Option number C. Option number C. Next. In which of the following direction is point G with respect to Y? Point G with respect to Y. Point G with respect to Y is northwest, and that's the right answer. Option number C, northwest. All right, option number C, northwest. Next. Find the odd one out. See, from G to Y, it's southeast. From A to K, it's southeast. From X to B, it's southeast. From B to O, it's northeast. So I hope you all are smart enough to guess what is the different one, what is the odd one out. All right, everyone, getting it? Yes or no? Fine. Now, the next thing. Fine, everybody? Fine, everybody? Now, listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Now, here again some of the instructions have been given. Here again some of the instructions have been given. It is very much a replica of the question type that we have already done. It is very much a replica of the question type that we have already done. X at the rate Y means X is west of Y, 4 or 14. X hash Y means X is east of Y, 4 or 14, and so on. X dollar Y means X is north of Y, 7 or 9. X and Y means X is south of Y, 7 or 9, and so on. Now, when you club at the rate and dollar, at the rate dollar means west and north together and distance is not known. When you club hash and together, hash and together, southeast, okay, and then again in this case also distance is not known. Okay, fine, everybody? Fine, everybody? Now, the very first question, time starts. Quickly, everyone, time starts. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now see how to approach this. A at the rate B. A at the rate B means A is west of B, 4 or 14. A at the rate B means A is west of B. A is west of B, 4 or 14. D hash B. D hash B means D is east of B, 4 or 14. Okay, see, I will require more place. I will require more place. So let me do again. A at the rate B means A is west of B. A at the rate B means A is west of B. How much west? 4 or 14. D hash B means D is east of B. D hash B means D is east of B. 4 or 14. D at the rate C means D is west of C. D at the rate C means D is west of C, and again 4 or 14. Okay, everybody? Fine, everyone? So now, it is also telling you BC is 8. It is also telling you BC is 8. Now if BC is 8, for that to be 8 you require 4 and 4. For that to be 8 you require 4 and 4, which means that this distance is also 4 and this distance is also 4. And now it is also telling you that AD is to be 18. Now for AD to be 18 you require 14 over here. You require 14 over here, and this is now done. This is now done. This is now 18. And now what is the distance between A and B? The distance between A and B is 14. Between B and D is 4. Between D and C is 4. And so on. You will be getting the answer. Alright. Now the next question. Hurry up. Be very quick. Be very quick. Hurry up. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. M dollar n. M dollar n means M is north of n, 7 or 9. M dollar n means N is north of n. Okay. 7 or 9. Actually, we have to do nothing with the distance, but still I am drawing. Why we have to do nothing with distance? Because nowhere in the options it is there. P and O. Now P and O, leave this. M at the rate O. M at the rate O means M is west of a 4 or 14. M at the rate O means M is west of a 4 or 14. Okay. And see, if 7 or 9 is over here, obviously 4 or 14 should be more than 9. Okay. But anyways, that's not at all a concern. Not at all a concern. P and O. P and O means P is south of O. P and O means P is south of O. Now whether P is south of O over here, or it is over here, or it is over here, we don't know. And that distance, P and O means P is south of O, that distance is 7 or 9. But now the simple question is, it is immaterial whether P is here or here or here. The question is direction of M with respect to P. With this PM is northwest, with this PM is northwest, with this PM is northwest, and so on. Right answer is option number A, northwest. Alright everybody. Fine. Fine. Next. Quickly everybody. Hurry up. Quickly everyone, hurry up. See, A at the rate B. A at the rate B means A is west of B 4 or 14. A at the rate B means A is west of B 4 or 14. Okay, fine. B dollar C. B dollar C means B is north of C. B dollar C means B is north of C, and that is 7 or 9. C dollar D means C is north of D. C dollar D means C is north of D. And how much north? 7 or 9. Now, E at the rate D means E is west of D. E at the rate D means E is west of D. Okay. And how much west? 4 or 14. Finally, F dollar E. F dollar E means F is north of E. F dollar E means F is north of E. F dollar E means F is north of E. And how much north? How much north? It can be 7 or 9. But now the question over here is, if EF is equals to CD, if EF is equals to CD, Now EF is equal to CD means if this is 7, even this is 7. If this is 9, then this is also 9. And it is also telling you E is southwest of A. E is southwest of A means this is 4 and this is 14. E is southwest of A means this is somewhat like this. Okay, it is somewhat like this. Fine, everyone. Fine. So if E is southwest of A, E is southwest of A, then find the distance between F and C. The distance between F and C, if this is 14, even this will be 14. And that's the right answer, option number D. Getting it or not, everyone? Getting it or not? Okay, next. Quickly, everyone, solve this. 1 minute is more than sufficient for these kind of questions. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everybody, hurry up. See, $A $B means A is north of B, 7 or 9. $B means A is north of B. Okay, 7 or 9. B at the rate C means B is west of C. 1 minute. $B means A is north of B, 7 or 9. B at the rate C means B is west of C. B at the rate C means B is west of C. How much? 4 or 14. D and C means D is south of C. D and C means D is south of C. Okay, 7 or 9. And E has D. E has D means E is east of D. E has D means E is east of D. 4 or 14. Okay. And now, with what is the direction of B with respect to E? What is the direction of B with respect to E? With respect to E. With respect to E, it is northwest. It is northwest. Okay. And therefore, it is the right answer. Option number D, northwest. Getting it or not? Getting it or not? Okay, now my dear students, this will be your homework question. This will be your homework question. Okay, please solve this question and answer it under the comment box. I should repeat, please solve this question and answer it under the comment box. I will be more than happy to respond to your comments. Okay, and now with this, we come to an end of the session. I will again request you, my dear students, please join the class in good numbers. Please like the session, please share the session, and with this, we come to an end. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. The only person in the world, I repeat, the only person in the world who is standing between you and your success is you. It is you. Definitely it is.